Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the MoKo keyboard for PlayStation 5 controller with a green backlight system. Bluetooth wireless mini keyboard. It's a Chatpad for the PlayStation 5. It comes with a built-in speaker and a 3.5mm audio jack for PS5 controller, and it is an accessory. This newly upgraded green backlight design of the MoKo PS5 keyboard illuminates every keystroke and adds an exciting game vibe. The green light will be lit if it flash means no parrot, okay? When we turn it on the keyboard, and it will be off when no operation for 5 seconds is immediately done. The MoKo PS5 wireless keyboard is specially designed for the PlayStation 5 controller. Compact and lightweight design will not hinder the use of the handle and affect the aesthetics of the controller. The charging cable is not included, so you will need an USB-C charging cable, but you have one for your PlayStation 5 controller, for example. The built-in speaker allows us to hear all chat audio from the PS5 keypad. Also, a 3.5mm audio output jack for external headset allows us to communicate with our friends conveniently, both online chat with headphone and typing instant messages. If we want to switch the audio playback device, we modify the settings in output devices, setting sound audio output, switch output device automatically, okay? Then you close it. 47 keys, QWERTY PS5 Chatpad. Has a clear indicates and made of silicone material which is comfortable to touch, enhancing our gaming experience and reducing the game fatigue. If we have this under our controller, we will gain it to a new level. And we have a Bluetooth connection. We connect the PlayStation 5 controller first, then we turn on the keyboard. We press and hold the pairing button on the keyboard, about 3 seconds, until the blue indicator flashes. Then we go to Settings, Accessories, then General Bluetooth Accessories, and we choose the name of the keyboard, P5 Plus keyboard. There it is. We press the X button on the PlayStation 5 controller to confirm. Then there is a secret key will be displayed on the screen. We input it directly with the keyboard, and then we press Enter key to confirm. Complete task is done. So then we can start with a 47 key wireless connection mini keyboard for PlayStation 5 controller. Fast connection, built-in speaker, rechargeable, and messaging and chatting with that. The brighter and clearer, cooler thing here is a green backlight lights up each key, type, and play with more ease in low light conditions. The green backlight will be lit when turned on the keyboard, off when no operation for 5 seconds. Press any key to wake it up again. We please refer to the manual for detailed lighting tips. We let us know if we have, of course, any question with that device, but there are no questions because it's so simple. Connect it and then use it like a keyboard. We have a full keyboard with 47 soft silicon keys, offers a smooth typing and chatting convenience. To correct use of the special character, we switch the keyboard language after connection to the keyboard. For this, we go to Settings, System Language, Relation Settings, Keyboard Type, English, United Kingdom, for example. We have an ergonomic design. This is perfectly fit for the PlayStation 5 controller. It matches typing posture, not affect our grip of the controller. And we have a simple installation. Directly align the keyboard with all ports and snap it onto the PlayStation 5 controller. And, of course, it's simple to remove. And we have a compact and lightweight design, made of lightweight ABS, small size, portable on the go. Add no bulkiness to our controller. And we have a large battery capacity with 500 milliampere. The battery comes 2 hours for fully charged, and 100 hours of working time will be there. We stay with our long hours of play. That's really cool. If we want that the sound can automatically switch to the keyboard after successfully connection or other audio player's device, we newly connect Then we go to settings, sound, audio output, switch output device automatically open. During use, if we want to switch the audio playback device, we should modify the settings in output device. If we want to keep the original audio output selection, which means that the sound will not automatically switch to the audio playback device we newly connected, we are going to settings, sound, audio output, switch output device automatically close. Okay, that's easy. You can choose as you like. We have an audio jack on the bottom side, a speaker on the inner side. We have an on and off switch, a Type-C charging port to reload the battery, a pairing key, letter key, and 3.5 audio output jack and indicator light. And then we have a caps lock, a space key, function key, direction key, delete key, and an enter key, and of course all kind of keys which comes on a keyboard. Easy going. We have more function on it. We press the A, B, C and number and letters button and hold this key. Then we press the punctuation we want on the keyboard. And of course we can go to a capital letter. We press the caps lock key on it, and then we go to the capital letters. Press it again to turn it off. So then we have a status indicator light. When the battery power is sufficient, we turn on the keyboard, the indicator light is blue. When pairing, the indicator lights will be blue and blinking at the same time. After successful connection, the indicator light will turn green. And when the battery power is low, we turn on the keyboard, the indicator light is red. When pairing, the indicator light will blink and goes to the pink at the same time. After successful connection, the indicator light will turn orange. Then you can see the battery is empty. And we switch the keyboard language after connection the keyboard to enter the correct use of the specialist character. Then we use the green light will be lit when we turn on the keyboard, and it will be off when no operation for 5 seconds. And long press the pairing key, the Bluetooth indication and the backlit green light are flashing together when they're waiting for pairing. That's the pairing mode. When pairing times out, the pairing failed, the green light will be off, and then you have to repeat this process. So you can see it's really easy and comfortable to use that keyboard, and it will gain your PlayStation 5 controller to new dimensions with the MoKo keyboard for PlayStation 5 controller. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.